Sometimes it gets a little bit rougher than other times.
Sofia.
It's going to be in any way at any time, any day. I mean, I care for myself too.
Hey guys, so Sophia was mad when she came to know that Prasan flew his first flight in jet and then she went in economy. So here we are.
If I can find a better altitude, I'll do that. But it shouldn't be too bad though. Sometimes it gets a little bit rougher than other times, but it's nothing ever that.
No. Okay.
It's all very safe. You wouldn't fly through it if it was. I mean, I care for myself too. Right?
Hey guys, so Sophia was mad when she came to know that Prasan flew his first flight in jet and then she went in economy. So here we are. You ready? It was super wet, so you got the Sophia guy. Now eating. Keeping three-month-old entertained, it's some real task. Like flight, car, if she's up, she's like super like, I need to do something, I gotta do something, I gotta keep on entertained. But anyways, let me show you the plane. So usually it's a six-seater plane. It has like the tray tables turns out and pilots usually come and be like just ready to go. I see Sophia's plane here. There's back chairs. No, and that's the restroom. Let me see if I can pull it up to the cockpit. But yeah, there's some snacks and stuff. So that's the cockpit view, guys. So relatively, guys, it's a small plane. I think it was a very last minute, and I had 1 hour to decide if either stay in Seattle, go to Scottsdale, or do something. But the way things were rolling in Seattle, in terms of like so much rain happening, there's not much to do. I'm like, why not hit summer? So here we are. Good job, Sophia. You're doing good. More than ours, there's Sofia stuff everywhere. We gotta get a toys, we gotta get all of that. We tried to do day one roaming in Seattle. You'll probably see the vlog. That's why filming was a little tough because it's not easy to film with her. Like a lot of shots, I think, okay, I'm gonna take this, can't take it. But anyway, Sofia having fun. Hi, Sofia. Sophia, how do you like your first flight? Sophia? She's like, no more questions, please. The chairs will actually walk around, it can drool and do all that stuff. Sophia. Yeah, that's how she gets all the time. Just crying. I think she gets bored. She's like, what else to do? What else to do? Sophia. We gotta play Little Einstein, guys. I am playing for her. We got Wi-Fi? Is downloaded. Is that fast? We can FaceTime somebody? Try that. Yeah, Wi-Fi pretty fast. Through the sky, Little Einstein. Okay. Tell me. Guys, whoever said traveling with the newborn is easy, tell me about it. It's not easy. It's not easy. Two, one, two, one, two, one, two, one. Hold the look. One, two, no crying. Three, four. Oh, Sophia. Okay. So folks, Sofia cried for almost 2 hours straight, and now she's back to normal, like a happy baby. My face looks like all the energy's out. I guess we're descending, and then we're almost landing, and it's getting bumpy. Get it? Yeah. Alright, folks, we just landed. Thanks for watching our vlog. Couldn't do much. It was very run and gun filming. Sophia finally got asleep and we're safe and sound. So thanks for watching and see you guys on the next one. Peace.